Okay, good morning everyone. Previous class we had been learned that culture, culture in hospitals. Today I have to give important questions in this unit. Review questions. Define following culture, transculture of society, transcultural nursing, cultural diffusion, accommodation, acculturization, assimilation, enculturization, ethnocentrism, cultural lag, health, disease, illness, nursing, cultural shock. List the following three characteristics of culture. Evolution of culture. Four types of cultural traits. Three functions or importance of culture. Two difference between culture and civilization. Three factors of cultural variability. Two factors influencing cultural diffusion. Three cultural beliefs related to health. Two cultural beliefs related to food. Cultural practices. Symptoms of cultural shock. Importance of study of culture in nursing. Short notes, nature or characteristics of culture. Evolution of culture. Functions and importance. Culture and socialization. Transculture of society. Transcultural nursing. Diversity and uniformity of culture. Cultural response to sickness and choice of treatment. Process, cultural variability. Cultural shock. Importance of study of culture in nursing. Essay on define culture, deliberate, cultural influence on health and diseases. Most important question, this essay question is very important in the examinations. In the short notes, nature, characters, functions, importance. Diversity and uniformity, these are the most important. Process, cultural variability. So this is important question in the 5 marks. A definition, most important, culture, cultural diffusion, ethnocentrism, cultural lag. So these all the short definitions are important for final examinations. So we need to go to next unit. Next unit, study of social groups. What do you think about groups? Can you see this picture? Group means Blessy. Blessy. Can you hear me? Jeffrey Shaija,
Yes, sir.
what do you think about culture according to your perception? What do you mean by culture? I'm sorry, what do you mean by social groups? Yeah, social groups.
Collection of or group of human beings, their cultures, how they affect in their activities, according to their activities, how they get rid of it.
So, okay. Okay, Jeffrey, thank you for your answer. Can you see this picture in the slide?
Sir.
Yes, that is a group. You know, one or two or three people together form a group. Introduction. It is integral part of sociology. Study of culture is integral part of sociology. The reason is that every society created by different types of groups. Familial groups, educational groups, economic groups, political groups, like this different types of groups together form a society. So in the study of sociology, group study is very, very important and vital one. Next point. Determines social development. If group develop, society automatically will be developed. Next, theories regarding group dynamics. Dynamic means changes in the group. In last year we had been learned in psychology, group psychology. There as well as we had been learned group dynamics. How to change the group. How groups are created. In sociology mainly concerning what are the relation between the group dynamics and social issues and social development. Mainly we are healthcare professionals, should be think about healthcare issues and social groups and dynamics. Next point. Group factors influence health status of individual and society. Nurses need knowledge of social groups to rehabilitation of patients. One of the example, if a person participate with different types of groups, some group may be positive, other groups may be negative. For example, friendship groups joined with bad friends and group joined together, gang, they may be practicing the bad habit, alcoholism. What will happen? The person affected by drink alcohol or smoking, which directly affect the health of the people. So every individual should be concerned the group choosing us, which group we have to choose to participate in the society, whether that group is positive or negative. So in the hospital, the group study is very, very important, group knowledge. The nurses should be assess the group participation of the client. For example, we have experience, I have experience. The alcoholic patient come into hospitals. The maximum of alcohol patients, the history is that they have had bad friendship groups as well as professional colleagues together and drink alcohol and affected by cardiovascular diseases, diabetes and other related disorders. So study of group is very important for nursing to assess the group participation of the client in the clinical setting as well as in community setting to identify the groups. And issues among the groups and mainly classifying the group types of which type, what are the primary groups, what are the secondary groups. Also we need to think about groups in the hospitals, healthcare setting. So continuing these slides, sections, we are going to detail about what are the types, meaning, definitions, groups in the hospitals, etc., etc. First, meaning, collection of human beings. Define groups. Social group is given aggregate of people playing interrelated roles and recognized by themselves as a unit of interaction. Keywords, given aggregate, interrelated roles, as a unit of interaction, which means one of people together, aggregate with each other, related with each other and work together. Then characteristics of groups. First character, reciprocal relations. Reciprocal means mutual relationship. For example, family is a primary group. Family members, husband, wife, children, mutually related with each other. Which is micro-sociology concern. In macro-sociology concern, for example, familial groups, economic groups, religious groups. So mutually related with. For example, economic groups depends on familial groups depends on economic groups. Second one, sense of unity. Every members work together in the groups, cooperate with each other. Third one, we feeling. We feeling means, for example, our college, our family, our religion, like this. Fourth one, similar behavior. Every groups having similarity of culture, same kind of and pattern of behavior. Fifth one, group norms. Every group having a unique norms, rules and regulation. Example, familial norms. In college concern, college norms, educational norms like this. Sixth one, cooperation. Means work together. Every members work together to attain their goal. For example, in hospital concern, nursing professionals, doctors, allied health professionals work together, coordinate, cooperate to attain to save the life. Seventh one, power relationship. Every members having a particular power and responsibilities, and they related with each other. For example, family, husband, wife, children, as well as in educational groups. We can explain about it. Then, why people form groups? First point, satisfaction of needs. We have been living in a familial groups. Every family members create the educational groups to fulfill the educational needs, and create economic groups to fulfill their economic needs, and money and wealth, as well as government. Second one, proximity and attraction. Proximity means physically, the members physically close with each other. For example, in family concern, emotionally attract with each other, attach with each other to fulfill their biological needs. What are the biological needs? Food, water, shelter. So here we have this individual have been create the family. Third one, group goals. Every individual having a goal and desires. From group we can achieve it. For example, we have educational desire to fulfill educational institutions or educational groups. Then economic relations. Money and wealth is essential to fulfill their fundamental as well as primary as well as secondary needs. So people have been create different types of groups to promote their economic relations and mainly economic development to attain their economic needs. So why people form groups? First satisfying primary needs, then proximity, closely with each other, then goal, attain the goal, then relationship, economic relationship, the people create the group. Next, the difference between group and society. Group means a collection of human beings, but society system of relationship or web of relationship, network of relations. Second one, group artificial created, but society natural grow. For example, family created by husband, wife, children, artificially we have created. But society, no need to any effort to grow. The reason is that society made up of different types of groups: familial, religious, educational, economic, political, etc. So if the groups are developed, create, the society automatically grow. Third one, membership is voluntary in group. But in society, membership is compulsory. The reason is that we can change the groups. We can choose the group according to our desire. But every individual is part of society, whether one group or other group. Every group is in the society. So every members, the membership in society is compulsory. Everyone part of society. Fourth one, group is organized. Organized means systematically arranged. But society may be unorganized. For example, social disorganization. Abnormal arrangement of groups may cause unorganized, which leads to social problems. Fifth one, a specific purpose having each groups. For example, familial groups fulfill their fundamental needs: food, water, shelter, sex, maternity, as well as other group, economic groups. But society having general purpose. Sixth one, the groups marked by cooperation. If there is no cooperation in the group may be dissolved. But in society having both cooperation as well as conflict. Seventh one, group may be temporary. But the society is permanent. Okay? Group is temporary, society is permanent. The reason is that group can dissolve anytime, easily, but society cannot dissolve. One group is gone, other group will be grow. Society will be developed. So this is a difference between group and society. Next, group and institutions. Group means collection of human beings, but institution having set of folk, ways and mores. For example, our college, is a educational institutions. Every college is having different types of educational groups: first year, second year, third year, Next is that every group in the institution having different behavior. Folk ways means group behavior. For example, first year students having different behavior than second year students. So this is the institutions. But group concern just collection of humans or collection of in this college institution concern collection of students first year, second year. Second one, artificially create groups. We can create the group, but institution naturally grow. How naturally grow? Lot of groups together. For example, already we have discussed college, educational institutions having different types of groups. What are the groups? Faculty groups and student group, first, second, third, or fourth years. That groups are developed, the institution naturally grow. Third one, group is temporary, can dissolve any time, but institution comparatively permanent. See, group and community, the difference between groups and community. Group is part of community, as we know that. Community is whole. What are the parts in the community? Community having familial groups, religious groups, political groups, together form a community, rural or urban. Second, group is temporary, community is permanent. Third, group membership is voluntary, but community membership is compulsory. Everyone part of the community. Then classification of groups we will be learn next class. So what we had learned today? Important questions I was given. Students, unit test on culture will be Saturday. This week Saturday, okay? Jefflin, are you here?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Today we had been learned introduction, meaning, definition, characters, why people form groups, difference between society, institutions, community, then types we will learn next class. Then question for Aswini or can you list a few characteristics of groups?
Communication.
No. This, look at this. Can you see in the screen? Can you see in the screen?
We feeling.
Yes,
Power relation.
yes. Cooperation, norms. Every groups having norms.
Sense of unity.
Can you explain about sense of unity? Can you explain about sense of unity? Unity means together, work to cooperate with each other, peace in the groups. Okay, so learn to make sentences. Yes, do you have any questions? Jefflin, Shaija?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So students,
Thank you.
everyone keep it in your mind this, that study for the unit test